this is Al with NightQuest Adventures Tech Repair, and I want to let you know that we are more than just computers. Check out the video. Okay, NightQuest Adventures is on the scene here with Miss Richardson apartment. Miss Richardson and I went to Ikea and we acquired all the furniture for her bedroom, and we are going to put it together and get this place looking nice and cozy. All right, so we're going to break out with probably one of these end tables. We got two of these, and what we're going to do is put these two end tables together. Let's break nightstand slash nightstand. Let's break it out the box and see what we got. This is some kind of nightstand we have. Don't even ask me to get this. Start asking me how to say that. But this is what we're going to put together. It's a 2-drawer end table. I mean nightstand. All right now. Here we is. The full thing. Completely made. Everything done by my hand. Rolling drawers. Just as nice. See that? Nice drawers. And worst comes to worst, sturdy. She not moving nowhere. She doing a good job. All right, we're done with this piece, so let's get on to the next. Okay, y'all, it's been a lot of work. So yes, we have finally completed this whole thing, except for the manufacturer has conveniently only given me one of these screws. So I'm having a little problem putting this piece on right here. So what I'm going to have to do is go to Home Depot, get one of these screws, put it in, and then zap, put the drawer in. So as you can see, this dresser is completed. And at this part of the game, so far, we have completed 2 of these drawers. We've completed 1 bureau. Oh, what's up, mine? Okay, there we go. We've completed 1 bureau. Okay. And we have the trusted drawer. So that's what we got so far. All right. What we're gonna do? We got 2 more boxes. You know what that is? That's the bed. So what we're gonna do is get this bed together. Okay. We had not such a good look yesterday. No, I was talking to myself. Okay. Here we go. Yesterday it was kind of dark in here. So we want to give you a good shot of what her Ikea dresser looks like. And this is the bed in complete form. I gotta go slow because it's lighting. In complete form, all she needs to do is put a box spring and mattress in there now. Alright, sorry for the light, but that's it. And then of course, her dresser. Boom. Got that done nice and neat. Alright. And last but not least, we took care of those drawers. Alright, where's those at? Right where? Oh, okay. And little drawers. So we took care of her drawers for her. Now she has a living room. She has a bedroom set, and all she needs is her bath. Her box spring and mattress, and she's good. This is cool and NightQuest Adventures. Don't wait for unfortune to strike your tech. Protect your tech. Go to NightQuest-Adventures.com and sign up to become a member and protect your tech. Cell phones, computers, tablets, laptops, and more. We got you.